Ewatt manufactures injection molding machines, Mica bin heaters, ceramic bin heaters, nozzle coil heaters, mold heats, cartridge heaters. The heaters used in packaging machinery, intelligent equipment, automation, medical equipment, fireplace ignition stick, mold, 3D printer, extruder head. Successfully solving your process heating problems is our commitment to and we achieve this through our 4 pillars of success: quality, innovation, technical excellence, and fast delivery. For your inquiry, please contact me Ewatt support by writing in a mail. WhatsApp 15,995,600,081. A mail Renchenli 1972@mail.com. Nozzle coil heaters, ceramic bin heaters, Mica bin heaters, are suitable for electric injection molding machine temperature heater, PPS, LCP, PSU, PTFE, PPA, pair injection molding preferred heating scheme.